This is Akahi News. A fresh twist has emerged in the controversial death of Mary Habila, a nurse attached to the office of Nigeria's Minister of Works, David Umahi, while investigators insist that an autopsy is necessary to uncover the truth. Her family has firmly rejected the procedure and is demanding the immediate release of her body for burial. So, what exactly is happening? Why has this case become even more controversial? And what could this mean for the ongoing investigation? Let's examine the facts critically. 1. What really happened? Mary Habila died on 27th of June 2026 at a staff residence located within the premises of Minister David Umahi's residence in Uburu, Ebonyi State. The circumstances surrounding her sudden death immediately attracted public attention because of where the incident occurred. Akahi News gathered that Ebonyi State Ministry of Justice has now advised investigators that a post-mortem examination should be conducted to determine the exact cause of her death, stating that available evidence does not indicate she had any known illness before the incident. Point 2 to take into cognizance is why is the family opposing an autopsy? Can we ask that question very loudly? Despite the recommendation, Habila's family has refused to allow an autopsy. According to their lawyer, the family has already met every requirement requested by the police and only wants the body released for burial. Her father also maintained that although the family is not accusing anyone of causing her death, they want to bury their daughter in accordance with their religious and cultural traditions without further delay. Point 3. What does the legal advice say? The director of public prosecution reportedly advised that investigators still do not know what caused Mary Habila's death. Akahi News learned that the legal opinion noted she was healthy before arriving in Uburu and that only a forensic examination could establish both the immediate and underlying cause of death. Interestingly, the legal advice also acknowledged that the police still have the direct discretion to either respect the family's wishes or proceed with the autopsy if they consider it necessary for justice. That is a very good one there. Point 4. Police investigation continues. The investigation has not stopped. Police have reportedly invited several individuals connected with the incident to provide statements as detectives continue gathering evidence. Authorities have, however, declined to reveal details of those interviews, explaining that investigations are still ongoing. Point 5. David Umahi response. Minister David Umahi has denied any wrongdoing. He described attempts to link him to the incident as politically motivated and insisted that Mary Habila was like a daughter to him. Umahi also stated that she had experienced previous health challenges and maintained that there is currently no evidence suggesting foul play. Point 6. Why this case matters. This case goes beyond the death of one individual. It raises important questions about the following: the need for scientific evidence in suspicious or unexplained deaths. 2. Respect for family, religious, and cultural rights regarding burial. 3. The independence of police investigations, especially when prominent public officials are involved. And lastly, avoiding trial by social media before investigators establish the facts. These are issues that affect public confidence in Nigeria's justice system. Point 7. Let's go deeper in our analysis. One of the biggest challenges in this case is balancing justice with human compassion. From an investigative perspective, an autopsy is often the strongest scientific method for determining how a person died. If that opportunity is lost, crucial evidence may disappear permanently. On the other hand, the family's emotional pain and desire for burying their loved one deserve respect. Many Nigerian families attach deep religious and cultural significance to timely burials, making prolonged delays extremely difficult to accept. Another important lesson is the danger of jumping to conclusions. Public opinion has become sharply divided, yet investigators have not released any final findings. In cases involving influential personalities, speculation can easily overshadow facts. Ultimately, only a transparent, professional, and evidence-based investigation can answer the question Nigerians are asking. Whatever conclusion emerges must be supported by verifiable facts rather than assumptions or political sentiments. Finally, as the disagreement between investigators and the family continues, the mystery surrounding Mary Habila's death remains unresolved. Whether the police eventually proceed with an autopsy or honor the family's request, Nigerians will expect a thorough investigation that delivers credible answers and opposes the rule of law. And to my viewers and listeners, what do you think concerning this report? Should investigators insist on an autopsy in the interest of justice, or should the family's wish take priority? I want you to share your thoughts or opinion respectfully in the comment section. And if you found this analysis informative, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reports. And for credible news, analysis, and daily updates, visit akahinews.org. I am Joseph Iyaji.